Our county had just purchased a VirTra shooting simulator, and they invited us to go up and see it, and we had some free time, and I was quite honestly reluctant to go, but I went up into the room, and the instructors there convinced me to take a handgun and step inside the simulator, and about 15 or 20 minutes after that, I was sold on the idea of this type of simulation. I was really excited about the things that the product offered. Having 32 policemen in a relatively quiet, crime-free neighborhood, I'm concerned that my police officers will be forced to make a deadly force decision in a split second. It's a different thing to give them good training or great training. And again, in these types of scenarios, I think I owe it to my police officers to give them great training. And this is an opportunity we have now with your company simulator to offer them really great, realistic, deadly force training and millisecond decision making in a place where they're safe.
The VirTra system and the product support, the staff, which has been provided to us in terms of continuing to maintain and improve upon what we've purchased has been phenomenal. And not only that, but VirTra systems themselves and the staff always looking at ways to create better training environments, be innovative, be contemporary with the market, progressive, which has really exceeded our expectations.
Thought it was the best training, video-based training that I've ever had. It's almost as close to realistic training. Got my attention, got me moving. I didn't see the second shooter until I got hit, and I see how it affected. Typically, marksmanship, you'd be shooting at the target. I had a move and shoot, and I had to fire several rounds before I hit him. When
you come into a simulator such as the VirTra system, you really don't know what to expect based upon the scenario which is going to be presented. And so your stress level is already up. And then when the scenario begins to play itself out, you're really put in a situation to where you're having to make decisions. And you're having to make decisions based upon whatever scenarios are put before you. And I think absent a real life situation, that's probably as close as you can come to a shoot or don't shoot, life and death type situation.
I wish I would have found this 10 years ago. But now that I found it, we'll use it as much as we can now to maybe prevent a deadly encounter, or at very least get our police officers through it safely. It's never our intent to harm someone. It's always our goal to just stop the threat and take people into custody, and certainly we'll save lives with a system like this.